Hi Eagles, my name is Lindsay Brown. I'm the math instructional coach at McNair Junior High, and I just wanted to run through a couple of things with you so that you are prepared for the very first day of school and logging on to your Google Classroom and also being able to get on your virtual meet. So right now you can see on my screen that I am at google.com. If you go to what we call the waffle and then go to Classroom, you will be able to find a list of all the classes that you have either joined with the code or been invited to by your teacher. Okay? So you're going to come here and it will have your list of classes. The very first thing that you want to do is find your first period teacher. Okay? Mrs. Brown does not have a first period class, so I'm just going to go to the first class that I have available. You are going to click on the class, and then once you get here, this will be your classroom screen. You will go ahead and you will find the Meet link, and this is how you will join your first period class on the very first day of school. So you will have a different Google Meet for every single one of the teachers that you see throughout the day. So Monday is a blue day, so you will go to first period, then you will find your second period teacher, then you will find your fourth period teacher, and your sixth period teacher all on Google Classroom and join their meet. Okay? Tuesday is a black day, which means that you are going to go to first period again, and then you will find your third, fifth, and seventh period teachers. Once you join the Google Meet, you will be able to meet your teachers, and they are going to give you various directions and expectations from there. I hope you have a great first day, and we are so excited to see you back at school virtually.